Hi students, today we will discuss a problem on rate measure. So that is the volume of a cube is increasing at the rate of 8 centimeter cube per second. So clearly he has given that rate of change in volume, that is 8 centimeter cube per second. Then how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of energy is 12 centimeters? We need to find the rate of change in surface area when the length of energy is 12 centimeters. See clearly he has given rate of change in the volume of a cube is 8 centimeter cube per second. First of all, let x be the length of an edge cube, and so v be the volume and s be the surface area. Of the cube. So these are the things we have to assume. So let x be the length of an edge and v be the volume and s be the surface area of the cube. All he has given. Now what he has given? Rate of change in the volume of a cube, which means volume of the cube is increasing. Increasing means changes. So clearly, so given that, so rate of change in volume of cube, which means what? dv by dt he has given, that is 8 centimeter cube per second. Now we know that, so what is volume of cube? So v equal to what? X cube. So x be the length of an edge, so v be the volume. Now we need to find dv by dt, so that differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So what we'll get? So dv by dt, for v it is dv by dt. Now for x cube the derivative is 3x square, and for x the derivative is dx by dt. Now dv by dt has given already, that is 8 centimeter cube per second, that is 8 equal to 3x square into dx by dt. Now dx by dt is what? Clearly 8 by 3x square. So that is the first condition. And again the question is, how fast is the surface area increasing? We need to find the rate of change in surface area. So that firstly, so what is the surface area of a cube? Surface area of a cube, which means what? S equal to 6x square. Okay. Now we need to find the how fast is the surface area increasing. So that increasing means rate of change. So that we need to differentiate with respect to t on both sides. So which means what? ds by dt equal to, so 6 is a constant. For x square the derivative is 2x, and for x the derivative is dx by dt. Now ds by dt equals to 12x into, so clearly since dx by dt is what? 8 by 3x square. So 3 ones are, so 3 fours are x gets cancelled. So that ds by dt is what? 8 fours are 32 by x. So ds by dt is what? 32 by x. Now finally, how fast is the surface area increasing when the length of edge is 12 centimeters? What we need to find? So ds by dt we need to find when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters. See, so rate of change in surface area of cube when so length of an edge is 12 centimeters. So that is what ds by dt at the rate x equal to 12 centimeters. So clearly ds by dt is what 32 by x. So that ds by dt at x equal to 12 centimeters equals to, so clearly ds by dt 32 by, in place of x what we have 12. Clearly is cancelled about, so 4 8s are 4 3s are, so that clearly ds by dt at x equal to 12 centimeters equal to 8 by 3, and the units are, so ds rate of change in surface area with respect to time. So surface area, the units are centimeter square per dt, which means second. So clearly, so what do we need to find? Rate of change in surface area when the length of an edge is 12 centimeters. So clearly rate of change in surface area that x equal to 12 centimeters is 8 by 3 centimeter square per second. Okay students, thank you very much. So please do subscribe, share my YouTube channel. Thank you.